Are you looking for the best office chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best office chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Ignition 2.0 Ergonomic Office Chair. Another top performer we love from our testing is the Ignition 2.0 Ergonomic Office Chair. It delivered both long-term comfort and support. The seat is especially roomy at 20 inches wide, making it a good choice for larger bodies. Additionally, the 3.5 inches of padding felt great throughout the long workday. We also found the chair's tall backrest allowed us to maintain proper posture and prevented slouching. This office chair is also highly adjustable, as you can change the armrest's height and width, seat height, and lumbar support to suit your preferences. We found it easy to fine-tune the chair to our liking, though the armrests felt slightly wobbly, but only when adjusting. They were stable once set back into place. The main difference between this and the Bulai's Master Series computer chair is its design. This chair isn't padded in the back and instead has a comfortable mesh material that's lightweight and breathable. The frame is also less heavy-duty since it's made from plastic rather than metal. Because of these factors, the Ignition 2.0 offers a slightly less bulky construction than the Bulai's model, but may not be as durable. In terms of aesthetics, this office chair offers a very simple, straightforward design. Although it's not as eye-catching as the Bulai's Master Series computer chair or as stylish as the Verve office chair, it has a basic look we think is versatile for most home offices. Seat depth, 19 inches. Seat height, 18 to 23 inches. Seat width, 20 inches. Backrest height, not listed. Lumbar support, yes. Material, mesh, plastic. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. Warranty, full lifetime. At number 2. Verve Office Chair. It's difficult to find an office chair that combines ergonomics and aesthetics, but the Verve Office Chair does it wonderfully. It doesn't feel as obtrusive as many office chairs we've tried, with a sleek silhouette that boasts clean lines. It's also available in 7 vibrant colors, a unique feature compared to other office chairs. This office chair is one of the most adjustable options we've tested. While you'll find the usual customizable components, like seat height, armrest height, and lumbar, you can also adjust the seat depth, which isn't a feature we find in office chairs very often. This can be especially useful to ensure your hips and legs are properly supported, no matter how tall you are. The contoured, cushiony seats felt comfortable throughout an 8-hour workday. We never had any aches and pains despite prolonged sitting, and our 5'1" tester said that adjusting the chair allowed it to fit her frame perfectly. The frame, constructed from polymer and aluminum, feels both sturdy and lightweight, while the back features a flexible polyester knit material. Note that this is the most expensive chair we recommend at around $600. The price is steep, especially compared to our other 2 favorite office chairs, but we have yet to find another option that's as stylish and comfortable. And we think its quality makes it worth the investment. We don't love that adding a headrest will cost extra considering its already high price point, but we didn't find it necessary during our tests. Seat depth, 16.5 to 19 inches. Seat height, 16.5 to 20.5 inches. Seat width, 17 inches. Backrest height, not listed. Lumbar support, yes. Material, aluminum, polymer, nylon, high-density foam, polyester knit. Weight capacity, 275 pounds. Warranty, 7-year. Parts and components. At number 3. Orange Factory Cross-Legged Office Desk Chair. The online buzz surrounding this office chair caught our attention, and after putting it to the test, we believe it can be a good fit for a specific group of people. We don't recommend it for your average remote worker who spends long hours seated at their desk, since it's not the most supportive option you can find. We like the cushiony seat and backrest, which features 4-inch thick padding. The chair has a roomy, 26-inch wide seat and no armrests, allowing you to sit cross-legged or have your feet up while you work. You can also sit normally in it, though we needed to use it with a throw pillow when working long hours. It's not super adjustable compared to our top 3 options, either. The only adjustable features are the tilt and seat height. We don't quite recommend sitting crisscrossed for long periods, but if you're someone who likes to change positions often, then you may benefit from an armless model like this. Again, note that this chair is great if you prioritize aesthetics over ergonomics. It is, however, made with a steel frame and high-density foam, though we didn't think it felt like a standout option in terms of durability. This chair should be comfortable enough if you typically use your office chair in short bursts rather than prolonged periods. It also allows you to move freely, making it suitable for a multifunctional area like a vanity or craft space, rather than a traditional workspace. Seat depth, 19 inches. Seat height, not listed as seat width, 26 inches. Backrest height, 17.5 inches. Lumbar support, no material, alloy steel, high-density foam weight capacity, 300 pounds warranty, none listed. At number 4. Respawn 110 Ergonomic Gaming Chair. Gaming chairs typically offer additional comfort features for long gaming sessions, such as extra padding, a high back, and greater recline options compared to standard office chairs. The Respawn 110 gaming chair is thoughtfully designed and affordable, making it a great option for gamers who need to stay comfortable for extended periods. Throughout our 6 months of testing, we found this chair exceptionally comfortable for prolonged use. The office chair is cushioned throughout, which helps relieve pressure points. Plus, the 33-inch ultra-high back accommodates taller users, while the 135-degree recline allows you to sit back and lounge. Although this isn't a feature you may need from a standard office chair, it's a great feature on a gaming chair. The metal frame ensures durability, and we love the look and texture of the faux leather upholstery. The seat is quite roomy with 22 inches of space between the armrests and a seat depth of 26.4 inches. This model slightly resembles the Bulai's Master Series computer chair, our favorite chair for most people, but the Respawn 110 gaming chair is a bit less adjustable. While this chair has built-in lumbar support, it's fixed, meaning you won't be able to customize the height. That said, we think it's still a great supportive option for most people. Seat depth, 26.4 inches. Seat height, 18.5 to 22.4 inches. Seat width, 22 inches. Backrest height, 33 inches. Lumbar support, yes material, metal, faux leather weight capacity, 275 pounds warranty, 5-year limited. At number 5. Flash Furniture Kelista Mid-Back Task Chair with Flip-Up Arms. Simple, durable, and highly adjustable, the Flash Furniture Kelista office chair is one of our favorites. One of our editors has used this chair for around 2.5 years now, and it's still holding up great. We appreciate its simple design, which isn't an eyesore or overly bulky. This ergonomic office chair strikes a good balance between functionality and aesthetics, which is difficult to achieve. We think it's a good budget-friendly alternative to the Verve office chair, a similarly ergonomic chair with lots of color options. This ergonomic chair is great for sitting in for long periods, the curved design offers ample lumbar support, and the back tilt and seat height are also adjustable. The armrests also flip up if you want to save space or sit with your legs up. The lumbar support, while not adjustable, helped prevent discomfort throughout the workday. We did notice the mesh material can stain, particularly if you get a lighter color option. However, we think it's a fair trade-off considering its performance. If potential staining bothers you, there are darker hues to choose from. Seat depth, 22.5 inches. Seat height, 17.25 to 20.75 inches. Seat width, 24.5 inches. Backrest height, not listed. Lumbar support, yes material, foam, mesh, nylon, steel. Weight capacity, 250 pounds warranty, 1-year limited. At number 6. Office Star ProGrid High Back Manager's Chair. This reliably supportive office chair has set itself apart in terms of comfort and durability, becoming one of our favorite value-packed options we've tried. We originally tested this office chair in 2022, and we're happy to report that it is still exceptionally supportive and holding up great. We still use it consistently, and besides some minor scuff marks on the plastic parts, there have been virtually no signs of wear. The cushion has remained comfortable and the back support eliminated back issues that our tester had experienced with other office chairs. The support was so substantial that it eliminated the need for a lumbar pillow. We also like that this office chair has a similar design to the Ignition 2.0 ergonomic office chair but is a bit less pricey. This office chair does everything we'd expect from a budget office chair. The seat height, depth, and armrests are all adjustable. We wish the lumbar support was adjustable, but we think its versatile design should work for most people. The seat also had an exceptionally cushy feel that helped to prevent experiencing numbness after long periods of sitting and a sore back at the end of the day. Note that the chair is quite heavy and demands a lengthy building process. While the purchase included an Allen wrench, it was too long for certain parts of the construction, which was frustrating. Additionally, when the armrests were at full extension, they would wobble and weren't particularly stable. Seat depth, 19.5 inches. Seat height, 22.75 inches. Seat width, 21 inches. Backrest height, 24 inches. Lumbar support, yes, material, alloy steel, polypropylene, foam, mesh fabric, engineered wood, nylon, polyester. Weight capacity, 250 pounds. Warranty, lifetime for parts and components, 3-year upholstery and foam.